Okay, let's move on with things. So, 2013, step 1, question 1. Always choose question 1, as I say, right? It's a really chill question. If you don't choose it, I'm not sure what other questions are better than this, right? So, part 1, what does part 1 say? So, use the substitution root x equals to y, where y greater equal to 0. Well, that's obvious, right? Because, square root is always positive, to find the real root of the equation. Okay, do what you're told. Do what you're told, right? So, what is this? Y squared plus 3y minus a half equals to 0. And can we solve that? The answer is yes, right? Just 2y squared plus 6y minus 1 equals to 0, and then you just use whatever method you like for quadratics to solve the thing. Okay, or perhaps completing a square might be more sensible. Here, actually, I could go y plus 3 over 2 squared minus 9 over 4 minus a half equals to 0. That might be more sensible, I think. So y equals to, or y plus 3 over 2 equals to what? This becomes the square root of 11 over 2, which gives us a y equals to, well, plus or minus technically. But you know that the minus solution doesn't exist, right? So we could just write, okay, that's root 11 over 2 minus 3 over 2. Okay, that's first part done. Okay, part 2 though. Find all the real roots of the following equations. Okay, so what is a sensible thing to do? What is a sensible thing to do? Well, look at part 1. What sort of substitution did they use? Oh, there's something for the square root, right? So, why wouldn't you sub in for the square root here, right? You should do the same thing. So, let's go. Let's go y equals to root x plus 2. Yeah, happy with that? Okay, so now what is x? X is y squared minus 2. We all see that? Yeah, that's just trivial, rearranging. Plus 10 lots of y minus 22 equals to 0. So, how can we solve this? Well, just do quadratics. Y squared plus 10y minus 24. Plus 10y minus 24 equals 0. Yes, that's right. Okay, just had to check. And this is actually a really nice factorizable quadratic. So this becomes y plus 12y minus 2. Yes, hopefully that's right. And yeah, then y has to be 2, right? Because y plus 12 doesn't make sense, right? Okay, so if this is 2, then you find x, right? Just chuck it in, right? So 2 squared equals to x plus 2, and then x equals to 2. Easy, right? Manageable, more than manageable. A GCSE person could do this. Yeah. Okay, part B then. Again, if you're told to sub in for the square root, then do it, right? Just follow what you're told. B, y equals to square roots of 2x squared minus 8x minus 3. Okay, we all good? Now, let's do it then. So, let's think about how can we substitute this, right? What is x squared minus 4x? That's the key. What is this? Okay, let's try to rearrange this a bit. So again, we have y squared equals to 2x squared minus 8x minus 3. And you can already see where this x squared minus 4x comes from, right? What is this? This is just, x squared minus 4x is just y squared plus 3 all over 2. Great. So, let me erase this. So, what does the equation become? I have y squared plus 3 over 2 plus y itself minus 9 equals to 0. And again, it's just a quadratic, right? I'm just going to do this quickly. I'm sure you could leave the video and do it yourself already without seeing me have to struggle with the algebra. Y squared plus 2y minus 15 equals to 0. That's y equals to, what is it, 5, yeah? Because y can't be minus 3, right? Y can't be minus 3. So y has to be, no. Y can't be minus 5. So y has to be 3, yeah? Y has to be 3. Okay, so if y is 3, then you just go 3 equals that thing. 2x squared minus 8x minus 3. And then square both sides again. 9 equals to 2x squared minus 8x minus 3. Okay, do the mathematics properly. So what do I have equals to 0? Minus 6 equals 0, and so on, right? Okay, I'm not going to finish the rest. Okay, then you get 2 real roots here, right? This is x squared, or whatever this is, x minus 2 all squared, minus 10, right? You get 2 roots. Okay, check if each one of them are positive or negative, right? So here, I think there's a negative root. So you only take x to be 2 plus root 10, yeah? The 2 minus root 10 is definitely wrong. Yeah, 2 minus root 10 is way negative. Okay, so, yeah, there you go, I suppose. All good? Okay, wait. I think 2 minus root 10 could be a solution as well, right? because it only says y has to be greater than y has to be greater or equal to 0. Doesn't say that x has to be greater or equal to 0, right? Yeah, so my bad there, okay? But both solutions are okay. The plus or minus are both okay. All right, there you go. Quite a lovely question.